alternative definition, alternative in a sentence, alternative pronunciation, alternative meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of alternative. Alternative. Al-ter-na-tive. Alternative. Alternative means a separate and different option. Common usages in academic writing: offer an alternative, propose an alternative, there was no alternative. Example sentences: alternative noun. The heliocentric model of the solar system proposed in the 1500s was a radical alternative to the geocentric model. Example sentence number 2, should your primary source of funding be cut, always have an alternative in mind. Please write a sentence using alternative in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use alternative confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper video.